What's going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Today we have another AMC stock price prediction video for tomorrow, Wednesday's trading day, guys. Today was a very significant day. We seen yesterday's uptrend throughout the entire day, and today we tried holding strong, which I still think we did hold strong, but we did drop a little. I believe we're 2% down on the day, which is not too bad for AMC. It's definitely not too bad. We did have a long period of time where we were actually stuck in between the 9s and mid 10 area. We were stuck there for a while, guys. We finally broke out of that. I'm going to go out to the 4-hour chart for you guys. Don't mind what I have drawn here right now. So back to square one where we did see it. This was the mother of all wedges that everyone was making DD about and making price predictions about. And we actually, yesterday when it went sky high, not sky high, we will see that during the squeeze, but yesterday when it broke the pennant, we did see a breakout, and it was just about around the end of the pennant. So yeah, the pennant is not exact, and but everything is speculation. This was actually pretty on point. I did have a breakout drawn. I just took it out, so these price predictions are clearer to you guys. I do not have support levels, but you guys can see right here here, let me see. We do have a very strong support around the $880 level. AMC doesn't really like to go under that, and if it does go under that, you'll probably see new lows. And the only time I would even accept it going under that would be us seeing that pullback for the hedge funds to cover at such a low price, and then we would see the catapult for the squeeze. So I honestly think AMC stock without the squeeze is valued more than $8, $9 alone. If it does drop below this 880 level, we will see a large pullback, and that'll be a catapult for the squeeze. That is just, once again, when the hedge funds want to cover their shorts and buy back the shares, they will manipulate the stock price down to however low they can actually manipulate it before they start buying back. DTC and SEC has to come out with has to pass rules 003 and 005, 004, and I think those will be the catalysts. I think 005 may have passed, but 04 and 03 may be the catalyst to actually shoot us to the moon, guys. As for tomorrow's price prediction, next week's price prediction, I've drawn these little patterns for you guys, and I see sort of what is happening. I was over on Reddit, and I did see somebody's DD. It looked like, say we'll take this line for example, right? This line for a stock would be, this would be a linear stock, and this would be what the squeeze would look like. A very bend, like against the wall, to almost a full 90-degree straight up angle. And this is what I drawn after these boxes, guys. When we do see the squeeze, touching the corners of these boxes, each box, I think that DD was very on point, in my opinion. This is what we will likely see, and we're getting really close. So I'm going to delete this to get it out of the way, but somewhere along the lines very soon we will see the squeeze. And I've drawn these little boxes right now. First of all, I've done the trend lines on a smaller chart. I believe it was a 30-minute chart. Drawn the trend lines, and this is recent. This was today, yesterday, and the day before, I believe. And afterwards, I put the boxes, same amount of days, same amount of uptrend, and I am going to predict that next week, next Monday, we will see another breakout. But before that, I want you guys to take a look at this. You see how we are slowly dropping. Once we break this trend line, guys, Tomorrow, if we do break this trend line, I believe we are going to see sort of a consolidation period. It's more of like getting our ground settled so that we can burst and jump. Like just what happened back here the first time with the uptrend. We broke down, had a big drop, and we had to calm down, gather ourselves, gather our emotions, and burst into a pop again, a nice pop. And I'm sorry about the dog in the background. She's very excited for some reason. Burst into a nice pop. I think we are going to see tomorrow on Wednesday. Excuse me if I said Monday, but tomorrow on Wednesday, if in after hours or pre-market we break this trend line, guys, we are going to see a small drop. And in this area for the next few days, I'm sorry, that is terrible. In this area for the next few days, we will see a consolidation period to gather ourselves for another upburst, another outbreak. Monday, do I think it'll drop? Or excuse me, for Monday. I usually make these price predictions on the weekend, the long ones. Wednesday, tomorrow, do I think it is going to drop? I think we have very good potential to not drop and to definitely pop if this trend is not going to keep following itself. Because again, guys, fundamentals are very needed with these stocks. These charts are very hard to follow, but you guys can see that we were in a downtrend today, but it did look like AMC wanted to hold a drop, and it was just like, it kind of looked almost unnatural at some points, but it could have been paper hands, but it looks like it just wants to hold. Once again, guys, right here, struggling in the after hours, it really wants to hold, guys, but it looks like it wants to hold, but something is pushing it down. And that's exactly why I think tomorrow, Wednesday's trading day, we may see a slight drop, consolidation for the next couple of days until we have a big catalyst, or even not a big catalyst, if this is going to follow the pattern that I've drawn for us, guys. There you have it. That is my AMC stock price prediction for tomorrow, Wednesday's trading day. Also, guys, if you want Webull, hit the link in the description down below. You can download Webull, get some free stocks. This is what I'm using right in front of you. Go check out my AMC news that I've dropped today. 2 videos on AMC, very important. Also, guys, hit that like. It is free. Hit that subscribe if you would like. Join the fam. Lottery Stocks out.
Get one shot, he drunk a hooligan. How we gon' get to this bed when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.